Shiba Inu, the great cryptocurrency. Shiba Inu, also known as Shiba token, is a decentralized cryptocurrency created in August 2020 by an anonymous person known as Ryoshi. Shiba Inu is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain and is based on Dogecoin. It brands itself the Dogecoin killer. The SHIB token does not have any smart contract utility, nor is it backed by any asset or rights. It is simply a transferable token. Shiba Inu is a Japanese term for a breed of dog. It is the dog that is depicted in Dogecoin's symbol, which itself was originally a joke cryptocurrency based on the Doge meme. Shiba Inu was created in August 2020, modeled off Dogecoin, another cryptocurrency by the anonymous founder known as Ryoshi. On 13 May, Vitalik Buterin donated more than 50 trillion Shiba tokens to the India COVID crypto relief. Shiba tokens can be exchanged on Coinbase, KuCoin, Coinbase, Probit Global, CoinDCX, Waxrex, Binance, Crypto.com, Hobby, and OKEx. Shiba Inu developers are currently in the process of creating ShibaSwap, a decentralized exchange which provides holders of Shiba Inu and its sister token Leash the opportunity to earn rewards such as Bond, Ethereum, and Shiba Inu Bitcoin through stacking or providing momentum since its inception. The coin received particular hype after Elon Musk's SLL appearance. Hailed as the Dogecoin killer, the price could double, say analysts. Shiba Inu coin, known as a Dogecoin spin-off, started off as a bit of a joke, but now it's anything but. According to analysts, the price of the Ethereum-based meme token could double immediately as the cryptocurrency market recovers from the recent crash, per FX Street. Despite almost 2 weeks of consolidation, SHIB has overcome indecision, working in favor of the bulls after gaining over 55% in market value from its bottom, FX Street reported. Shiba Inu coin has shown significant growth in the market. It particularly gained hype after Elon Musk's SNL appearance, which slashed Dogecoin as a result. His comment, which sunk the value of Dogecoin by 30%, mean Shiba Inu coin benefited from its alternative fall, as reported by Fortune. 2 days after Musk's appearance, Binance listed Shiba Inu coin on its trading platform and the price soared. What exactly is Shiba Inu coin and how has it gained so much traction? Hailed as the Dogecoin killer by Fortune and others, the token launched less than a year ago and is named after the Japanese dog breed Shiba Inu. The cryptocurrency trades under the symbol SHIB and is an alternative investment to Dogecoin. Shiba Inu coin has become the 32nd most valuable cryptocurrency by market cap per coinmarketcap.com. In recent weeks, it gained worldwide attention after a crypto billionaire donated 1 billion of Shiba Inu coin to India's COVID-19 relief. Then earlier this month, an $8,000 investment in Shiba Inu coin by a New York family reportedly pulled in a 9 million fortune for them within a few months, as Insider reported. What is the current price? At the time of writing, SHIB current price is 0.0000076 per coinmarketcap.com, but points to a market cap of around 3 billion. What does the future hold for the cryptocurrency? Though the future of Shiba Inu coin is insecure, experts seem bullish over the token. As reported by the Daily Express, some analysts say Shiba Inu coin price could reach $1, but it's not clear when this date will be. An adjacent parallel channel could be drawn to determine the possible price target for SHIB if accelerating interest in confirmed, FX Street reported. Lucy Gazarmarian, founder and managing partner of token by capital toll insider. While many may brush off the memification of money as a fad, the underlying forces at work are actually pretty revolutionary. Today, with the rise of cryptocurrencies, we are witnessing groups of anonymous individual experiment with the democratization of money itself, and the Shiba token embodies this new trend, said Gasmararian. As long as participants within a growing ecosystem are united by a shared purpose and vision and incentivized to continue building out the network will become increasingly valuable, and this will be reflected in the price of the Shiba token, she added. Some observers are more cautious. Nigel Green, CEO of Divery Group, told the Daily Express extreme caution should be exercised before investing in untested cryptocurrency. He added these are major difference between the likes of Bitcoin, which runs on cutting edge tech and has a limited supply, giving it scarcity value like gold, amongst other valuable attributes, and unknown digital token which seemingly have no inherent value. Simply put, where we join the dots to inform and inspire you.